Oh yeah, this is great. I'm about 10 feet down the trail and I'm already wading in 2-foot deep water. That's what you like to see. Uh-oh. I might be hitting lake level. Well, we have some tough conditions today. All my gear is right there, and the lake level is right here. Gear, lake level. And we are about 50 meters from the end of this forest where the lakeshore normally is. There's been a lot of rain, a lot of flooding, and it's still storming pretty hard out there. It's gonna be like 10 to 25 all day today, and we're trying to, you know, trout fish. So this is a great idea. Anyways, my dad should be here in a second with his gear as well. And we are going to get in that big flooding river, which is right there. And we are going to attempt to float down it in our tiny little float tubes. And hopefully there's no big logs or log jams that are going to give us any problems. Well, here we go, walking along the 2-foot deep water on the forest floor with flippers already on, trying to get all the way to that little opening there and get into the river. Yeah, that is true. We have literally broken ice before to get out to open water in our float tubes, so this is not the dumbest thing that we've ever done. Not paddling, but I'm pushing along the forest floor because it's easier than walking with flippers. I don't know if I can get out here. There's like that tree, like this is exactly what I was worried about. That tree is just way too... So I am on plan B here. There's another spot that I walked back up to that I think I can get in. Well, this is my great idea of a backup plan. All right, we're almost in the river. Just got to push this over the log and get in that deep water right there. Okay, there we go. That wasn't so bad. Now, time to see if there's any log jams I'm gonna get caught up on. I think I'm okay. Yep, looks good. And there's the lake. There we go. Oh yeah, this is chocolate brown water. There's been a lot of flooding over the past handful of days. Well, here we are, flowing out of a flooding river into a lake with snow-capped mountains around it. Yeah. Man, even in the lake a little ways from the river outflows, it is still very cloudy.
Oh, I had a hit.
Really?
Yeah, I don't think it was very big, but it was a real fish anyway.
Ah.
Saw one.
You saw a fish.
Yeah, it was quite close.
How big?
I just saw a fin, so I don't know.
You just saw a fin. Was it following your crankbait? Ah.
It was just turning away when I saw it.
Oh, I just lost a really little one. Tying knots in like 2-degree, windy, rainy, cold weather. Not the easiest thing in the world. I do have one last little bit of an idea here. I've got a little deep diving crank on with a single hook on the back, and I am gonna cast right into this main outflow in the current. Oh, that was a hit. That was a hit. I don't know, it felt like a slow, lethargic hit. Like, I guess it could have been a good fish, but either way, that was something. There he is. Got him. No! Oh my god, that was big! No, why didn't that fish get hooked? That was right beside me again. That was even closer. Oh my god, I bet that was a brown. No.
There you go. Maybe you can make a raincoat out of the Tim Hortons stuff.
Well, this is great. We're here at a completely new place early, and it's raining a lot, and we forgot raincoats, and it's raining a lot, and did I mention it's raining a lot, and it was predicted to be less than 1 millimeter.
And partly sunny.
And partly sunny in about 20 minutes. Well, it is even starting to consistently snow. Oh, that's great.
It's gonna be a white Christmas after all.
It's January.
A little late.
Alright, good.
We'll film that.
Yeah, that is, that's snow for sure. Well, we have lots of good ideas. Hey there, little buddy. No! Oh my god. That was something big. Holy shit. I thought I had snagged a stick. Oh my god, that was something big. No, that felt really big. Oh my god, that could have been a big cutthroat or even a steelhead. Oh, that was so, it literally didn't even move at all until it was like 10 feet under me, and then I felt one big head shake and it just got off. Got something big. Oh my god. I might have a steelhead on or a really big cutthroat, but I've got a heavy heavy fish on here on the ultralight rod. This could be a steelhead. Oh my God, that's big. That is heavy, and he's right under me. Oh yeah, that's big. I can see him a bit now. Oh, that's a cutty. That's a big cutty. That is a good cutthroat. Oh my God, of course the camera just ran out of battery. I just landed a big cutthroat and didn't film it. That sucks so bad. Oh, that's a huge cutthroat though. That thing is insanely fat. I don't know how much of that got recorded, but a lot of it didn't. That sucks. All right, well, I just switched over to the old GoPro here, so you're not going to be able to hear me very well, but I don't know how much of that got filmed. My camera ran out of battery mid-fight, but I just landed a big cutthroat, like an 18-20 incher, and just unbelievably wide as well. And bright chrome, all that. Oh man, well I am kind of sorry for that. Man, that was a video making fish right there. That was a possibly over 20-inch bright silver, super fat cutthroat. And I probably did about the worst filming job I have ever done. The main GoPro, this one, ran out of battery at some point, so I don't know how much of the fight I got on film. I definitely missed the netting though. And when I pulled out the other GoPro to get a shot of the fish and get a release, I pretty much messed up getting a shot of the fish and messed up the release. So that sucks. That would have been a video making fish right there, but I messed up. So let's go try and get another video making fish. Oh boy. Well, so far I've managed to lose one giant fish that could have been a steelhead and land one quite big cutthroat and mess up all the filming. This day is going great. At the very least, the thing that I thought was going to be quite difficult, which is the weather, is going a little easy on me, which is definitely nice. That helps out a little bit. We don't have all day to fish today, but I think I still have a chance here at a good fish to make this video. Or a really good fish. This spot can be crazy sometimes, so we'll see. Okay, those two logs are in kind of the most current area, so I'm gonna try and paddle myself right in front of them and get myself stuck on them and use that and sit right there and cast further out into this river outflow. Ooh, the river water's cold. Oh boy. The lake water was cold, but this is even colder. If it stays like this, I could get up this river as long as it stays like this in a kayak. And it doesn't look like there's any fast sections for quite a ways up there. So I might, next time I come here in the radar, be able to get quite a ways up here and drift this river and fish it. That would be really cool. I'm gonna try and do that. But this river, man, mark my words, I'm gonna find some fishing with the kayak going up this river and drifting down it, because this is a big wide opening and it's quite slow.